Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix generic PHP monitor not detected problem on Windows 11. So click on start, search here device manager, open device manager. Now here guys you have to expand monitors, right click on monitor, then update driver. Here select browse my computer for drivers. Select here, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now here if you see some drivers, so select latest one. Like select generic PHP monitor. If you have another one, so select that and check that will work. Check that it will work for you. I have only this one, so I need to select this one. Next, then close and restart your system. So just guys, update driver for monitor and select latest one. After restart, hopefully this method will work and this will resolve the problem. So thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.